Hello everyone and welcome back to the blog. I'm Alicia, and again this week I'm joined by Alan Marconi, a business development manager at Seiko AEI Polymers. Alan, how are you doing this week?
I'm doing great, Alicia. Thank you for asking.
Of course. So in today's video, you have a presentation prepared for us, and you're going to be talking about Seiko AEI Polymers PEXIDAN tree wire safety solutions. So I'd like to just go ahead and turn it right over to you for your presentation.
Sure, thanks, Alicia. So Seiko, as a leader in cross-link compounds, has developed a moisture cure technology that is at least a decade old. And the PEXIDAN brand has been very successfully used on aluminum tree wire and the companion product for underground ruggedized cable solutions to bring electricity to America in the utility grid. So I'd like to show some pictorial slide first here on what the product consists of. On the left-hand side of the slide, you can see in the pictorial tree and spacer cable that runs aerially on telephone poles. And you can see some trees in the area. This would be through a residential area or a forest. And then the cables that are tree and spacer cables connect to an underground cable, which would be the underground ruggedized version, which is directly buried either in the ground or through cable duct. So in the aerial tree spacer cable space, electrical discharges through trees could be a problem. The cost of trimming tree limbs continuously over a long period of time through residential areas and forests also could be another problem. And prevention of fires in wooded areas. On the underground cable, unintended cable damage by later excavation, and you need improved abrasion, scarring, and impact resistance in order to survive long-term to give you a good 40-year service life in these applications. Minimizing cable failure rates at the lowest possible cost is the goal and objective of these products as they're built by cable makers. So to look at how they're constructed, the tree and spacer cable needs superior tensile and elongation, tracking resistance, sunlight resistance, and in a new development, some flame retardancy. And what you have here is an aluminum conductor, a semicon, a cross-linked polyethylene insulation, and a high-density cross-linked polyethylene outer cover. On the other side, for the underground ruggedized cable, you need improved abrasion, scoring, impact, and crush. You need cable flexibility, and you need sunlight resistance to protect against the damage of sunlight as the cable is exposed above the ground slightly. That is put forth by an XLP and the insulation and a high-density XLP outer cover. So what does Seiko do? Seiko has a PEXIDAN solution for both of these products. And on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the tree and spacer cable. The XLP insulation, that is made up of a graph polymer A3001 and a catalyst master batch 008. And then the outer cover is made up of a high-density A1001 and a low-density A3001 and the same catalyst master batch 008 plus an anti-track and UV master batch. On the other side, the underground ruggedized cable uses the A1001 plus the catalyst master batch 008 and the black master batch for sunlight resistance.
All right, Alan, well, thank you so much for telling us a little bit more about that. And if you're watching this video right now and that's exactly what you're looking for, you can get in contact with Seiko AEI Polymers. You can do so by giving them a call at the number on the screen. You can send an email to sales@seikoaei.com and make sure that you're just exploring the rest of the website too to find out about their other products and check out our weekly blogs. Thanks again, Alan.
Thank you, Alicia.